everybody, it's Karen Moratz, and I am coming to you from my front porch here in Indianapolis. And we're kind of in Tornado Alley here in Indianapolis. There's no tornadoes predicted for today, but there is a pretty strong wind. So I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to try out this new gadget called the Windefender, which is supposed to enable you to play out in the wind. So I'm going to try it without first. You kind of all know, if you've been playing the flute for a while and you've tried to play outside, you kind of know what happens when the wind hits your face. I'm going to try and demonstrate. Kind of cut out there. Wind just started up, and I was doing pretty well there for a while, but then all of a sudden the wind started up. I started in the low register and like nothing would come out. So yeah, it just all depends, right? When you're playing outside, you just never know when the wind's gonna hit you a certain way and you're gonna lose some notes. Now I'm going to try playing Debussy's Syrinx again with the Windefender on. So I'm just gonna clip it to my flute, adjust it. I can adjust it inward for more protection or outward if the winds are less strong. Right now it seems like they're pretty strong, so I want to adjust it inward, but not so far in that it's going to bug my embouchure. Okay, that looks about right. Wish me luck.